Do you know there's a legitimate way to earn 600, 900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again simply by reselling digital products in the e-learning industry that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 1 to 2 hours around your schedule? My name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help everyday men and women make seven figures online without working a job. And I discovered this business in early 2024, and I've gone on to make multiple five figures with it, thousands of dollars with it. So I'm proof that it works, but we also have a community of over 57,000 people, and we've created over 120 six-figure income earners so far inside of that community, and there will be more. So why not you? Okay. All you need is Wi-Fi. You just need your phone. You just need 2 hours a day. You don't need any experience. You don't need tech skills, and you don't need any kind of following to do this. You just got to get started and set up your business, which you can do in 1 to 2 days. And then you're just following a 2 hour workday after that. So basically, you just have to post content on social media, and you can also go live on social media. And that's pretty much all I do. I just post content and I go live. That's how I've made thousands of dollars. Of course, disclaimer, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort in life. So don't be typical. So if you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in my description. Okay. And then it's going to break everything down. It'll show you how everything works. Plus, I'm going to show you how everything works in this video as well. And let me know where you're watching from. If you're watching the replay, let me know where you're watching from. I'm from Michigan. And if you have any questions about this, just drop it in the comments. I'm just going to try to explain it very simple and just try to really cover everything so you understand how this business works. And you can just make a decision to try it or not. Okay. I decided to try it and it paid off for me. So let's go here. Let me share my screen real quick. Hold on. Let me just load something up. I forgot to load this up. Give me a sec. I'm going to show you like the different pages that we use, like the pages you're going to get and the whole funnel system. I'm going to show you the website, the funnel system, how everything works. And yeah. So now it'll be very clear for you. And you just gotta, once I break it down after that, I'm going to show you exactly what I do and what I've personally done to make thousands of dollars. And it should be pretty clear to you. And if it isn't, just ask me some questions. Okay. So let me share my screen real fast. Hold on 1 second. Right. Okay. Okay. Here you are. So we give you this done for you digital business in a box, and we call this the freedom machine, the sales funnel that we give you, because this is how you can make money while you're sleeping and live a life of freedom, right? So what this is called a capture page. Like if you go to sevenfiguremonk.com, you're going to see a capture page that looks like this. So what happens is people put their email in, so you're going to be building your email list. Okay. Everybody, like all the top earners in the world, they do email marketing. You know, Amazon, you look at any business, they pretty much do email marketing. Okay. So what happens is you're building your email list. As soon as someone puts their email in, then it's just going to trigger an email sequence and people are going to get daily emails from you. Okay, so once somebody puts their email in, they're going to go here, they're going to watch this video. Okay, now this video is doing the selling for you. This is my friend and mentor, Michelle, who's made about $10 million in 3 years. So she knows how to make money online. So she's doing the selling for you. And then there's wins from our community. So here's another video that's doing the selling for you. So you got 2 videos that are doing the selling. Okay, this video comes in, like after they put their email in, they're going to go to this page. Okay, they're going to watch this video. And then they're going to see the wins, the testimonials from our community. And then there's another video that we send out in people's emails. So they're going to get 2 videos from Michelle, a multimillionaire. Okay, so this multimillionaire is doing the selling for you. It's not you. Now, if you want to create your own video, you can also do that too. But, you know, I just use her video. I could create my own video easily, but, you know, why not I just use the system that they gave us. Okay. So here's all the wins, more wins from the community. I'll show you inside of our community in a second. And then it takes people here, which is the website. Okay. So people start here and they go through your sales funnel, email, they watch a video, they watch another video, they go to your website at any time and they can buy one of these digital programs. This is what we're reselling, digital products, digital programs in the e-learning industry. Now, these programs teach you how to build a business online and how to build multiple streams of income. And they teach you all about digital marketing. That's pretty much what these programs teach. So unlock 10 income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. So at any time, they can go here and they can check out and they can purchase one of the products. There's payment buttons all over this website, right? So they go here, they purchase a product, and as soon as they purchase a product, you earn 100% profit. So your website's going to look something like this. pretty much it's going to look exactly like this. So what's the difference? What sets us apart from other side hustles like multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, all these side hustles? We earn 100% profit. Okay, so you like our top product sells for $1,400. Someone goes to your website, they purchase the $1,400 product, you earn 100% profit because you have master resale rights to these digital products that you didn't create yourself. That's how you earn 100% profit. Okay, and then we have a certification training. It shows you how to like you become a licensed reseller, and it shows you how to market these programs like a pro. Okay, and then everything you learn about this, all this digital marketing stuff that you're learning, all these skills you can use for any business. It could be this business or it could be a different business. So we have like three different types of buyers. Okay, three different types of buyers. One buyer, they just want to learn digital marketing, or they want to learn how to build a business. They want to learn how to create their own offers. So they just want to learn what we teach. Okay, that's one type of buyer. The second type of buyer, they just want to purchase a program so they can resell the program, right? And then the third type of buyer, they want to do both. They want to learn all the things, and they also want to resell the programs. Okay, and our program's in English and it's in Spanish. We teach you how to use AI. Okay, you have these testimonies on your website. This is your bio section. Here, this is where you put in your pictures and you put in your bio. Okay, and then you have just other stuff, different pictures and stuff. I put some of my own pictures. Like here, I'm hanging out with Michelle. Okay, she's the millionaire inside of our community. I'm hanging out with her because we do live events. We also do live events. So I met Michelle at one of these live events. I hung out with her a lot, and her boyfriend. They're both millionaires. They both drive Porsches. Okay. Why does this business model work? We're reselling other people's products, just like Amazon. I mean, yeah, Amazon, they sell other people's products. Verizon, they sell Apple phones. So many mobile carriers, they sell Apple phones and they make like millions and billions of dollars. Why is this business model better than others? Because we earn 100% profit. We have 0 monthly fees. Most other business models out there, they don't earn 100% profit and they have monthly fees. And there's a lot of work that goes into it. There's not a lot of work. You just post content every day, you go live. And you reply to comments, you reply to emails, then you go through training. That's it. That's all you got to do, pretty much. It's very simple business. Okay. So you get so someone can go to your website, they can purchase the $1,400 product, the 900, okay, the 600, the 300, or the 100. You can only earn at the level that you're at and below. Okay. So if you have the $1,400 program, then you get 10 income streams, 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1,400 in English and Spanish. Okay. If you get the 900 program, you get 4 income streams, 100, 300, 600, and 900. Now, if you get the $100 program, you only get 1 income stream, but it's better to start than not start. Okay. Just so you know, for you or your customers, if you want to get started, you purchase one of the programs just like I did, and then you pay for your website fee just like I did, and then you're going to have instant access to everything. And there's also installment plans for you or your customers, just so you know. But let's say you start at a lower level, like a lower tier, like the $100 level, you can always upgrade later at any time. You just got to pay the price difference, right? So you can always upgrade at any time. It's best to start at the highest level that you can, because if you go all in, you're going to take it more seriously. That's just my experience. Like if you go all in and you invest and you put money into it, you're going to take it more seriously. Like I invested the $1,400 program, so I take it very seriously, right? Now, if I invested only the 100, I might have been like, whatever. You know, that's just human nature. And then you also get these bonuses. Like you get like thousands of dollars of bonuses. You get access to our community where you get millionaire mentoring inside of our community. You get that as a bonus. You get support, training, everything is in our community. You get all these other bonuses, like you're going to learn how to monetize and create your own communities, how to create content with Canva. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, your invisible empire faceless marketing. So you can promote this business showing your face or doing faceless. We teach you both. And then you get 200 digital product ideas so you can learn how to create your own digital products and market them. So this is everything you need to make money online. You're going to get everything you need to do that. Okay. And that's the website, and there's frequently asked questions there. Okay. So if you want to look through the website yourself, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Now let's just imagine that you're ready to start this business and you purchase one of the programs and you pay your website fee, right? You go to one of the payment buttons, you purchase a program, you pay your website fee. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have instant access. Okay. I'm going through the trainings right now. We're in this program. So basically your program's going to be here. So you just go inside of your program and it shows you step by step, like start here. Okay. You watch all the videos, then you go through phase 1, phase 2. See, we just launched this new program recently. That's why you can see I haven't even gone through all of much of it, because, we just launched this updated program like a couple weeks ago. So like start here, phase 1 foundation. So this is going to give you like the CEO mindset and clarity, like lifestyle, desired outcome. This is the product. This is the program, this education, e-learning industry, $1 billion a day industry. It's training, it's information, it's education. That's what the e-learning industry is. Okay. So phase 1, foundation, phase 2, attraction, learn how to stand out online, how to attract your perfect customer. Okay. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn inside of the program. The program itself teaches you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. The program itself does that. But we also give you access to our community as well. Okay, let's go back to the programs. So you have your certification training, you have your bonuses. And then one of the first things is you need to do is go to the website setup, because you got to set up these pages. If you want to promote these programs, and if you want to earn income, if you want to receive your payments, you got to set up these pages. Okay. So everything is just step by step. You just go in, you set up your pages. It shows you what accounts you need to open up, right? Like GoDaddy, System.io, Square, PayPal, okay, accounts that you need to open up. Then it shows you how to purchase your domain and professional email address at GoDaddy, which is very cheap. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. My email is support@sevenfiguremonk.com, okay? And that's all through GoDaddy. Shows you how to attach your payment gateways like Square, PayPal, Stripe. That's how you receive payments. And then it shows you how to connect everything, get your whole system connected. So you just watch all these videos, you're going to connect everything. It took me a few hours to set up, so it's pretty simple. But if you don't want to do it yourself or you need some help, we have tech support. And we also have tech support calls inside of our community if you need help with your website setup or anything tech related, even though there's not a lot of tech with this business, because all you got to do is set up the business once and that's it. Okay. So you don't need tech skills because we show you how to set it up yourself. Now, if you try to figure out how to create your own websites and sales funnel by yourself, well, now that would be hard. Then you need tech skills or you need to pay people to do it. Then you get all your bonuses here. All your bonuses are here as well. So that's it. That's where the program is. That's where you have access to your program. Now let me show you inside of our community. Okay. So this is where we have 57,000 people in our community. So you can go here, you can introduce yourself. When you get started, introduce yourself. Okay. And then you can post wins. You can ask questions. If you need help, you can ask questions. Okay. Let me go into the section called wins. I'll show you proof that people are making money. Let me just show you the proof. Okay. Let's see. So, well, people can post whatever they want to post, right? See, look at this. Made my first faceless post. I made my first faceless Instagram post today. And look at everyone, like they're like, supporting her, cheering her on. Like, congratulations. She just made a simple post. And that's the kind of environment we have, a very positive environment. Like, you have to be positive. We don't allow negativity inside of our community to protect everybody. We keep it a safe place, right? Another $900 sale for Yolanda. Okay, today I stand in gratitude. Boom. So you should think when you see these results, you should think, if she can do it, I can do it. If she can do it, I can do it. Okay. Maritza, $900 while cooking dinner. If she can do it, I can do it. I've had many $900 days, so I can do it too. All right. So $900, first $1,400 sale. Heck yeah. Michelle, you rocked that webinar. Thank you. First $1,400 sale. I had my first $1,400 sale not too long ago as well. $900 live. She went live. See, that's all we do. We post content, we go live. That's how we promote this business. Okay. We post content, we go live. $300 while busy with training. All right. All right. So there you go. There's your proof. I just gave you proof, many different wins people are having. Okay. That's just happened. All this, these are the latest wins. See, people are skeptical about this, but I see these wins every single day. I've been inside of this community for over a year. So like of course I'm not skeptical because I've made, multiple 5 figures, but like, if you see, like, how can you be skeptical after seeing these wins? Like, how can you say, like, I wonder if this works? Obviously it works. I mean, you just got to do it though. You just got to take action. So we have 30 posts per page and you can see we have 32,000 pages of wins. We have almost 1 million wins inside of our community, right? And then if you go into the classroom, you get all these bonus trainings here, getting started. It shows you how, gives you more information about how to get started with the program and the business. We have these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. So you're going to get a daily millionaire mentor training video every single day to help you build your business. Okay. Like, there's nothing like this on the planet. This is the best business opportunity. There's nothing close because we earn high ticket sales. We earn 100% profit. Plus we teach you how to build multiple streams of income, and we have a supportive, interactive community. Okay. We have mentoring Zoom replays because we do mentoring calls, live interactive mentoring calls, social media training, content vault, 6 figures in 6 months, mindset training, 30-day momentum map, There's so much here. Okay, there's so much here. And there's a whole like digital, there's like a whole ecosystem inside of our community. Like there's a whole thing. Okay. So, yep, there you go. That's the community. And like I said, if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, if you see an opportunity, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Just enter your email and I'll send you all the details. Search your folders for the word blueprint. Okay, if you can't find my email. So like I said, all you got to do is get started, set up your business, and then you're open for business. Then you're following the 2-hour workday, posting content, going live. You can also copy and paste free ads, but all I really do is post content and go live because it's very simple and it's very effective. So let me give you some examples of how I post content, right? Like if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see I have all these long form videos. Okay, I do these long form videos over 10 minutes in general, but just like this one. This is a long form video that you're watching right now. And then I do short videos. Okay, now look at this. See, short video. Like I create these little 7-second videos with words on the screen. Now it's really easy to do. See, all I'm basically doing is I'm creating little 7-second videos. I'm taking selfies of myself, putting words on the screen, or 7-second videos, putting words on the screen, copy and paste. And then I create little talking videos where I'm just talking about the business. Like, for example, I could be like, do you know there's a way to make $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again simply by reselling digital products that you don't have to create yourself? And you get to keep 100% profit because it's not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about this blueprint that I'm following to make money online, then comment yes, and I'll share the blueprint details with you. Okay. I'll create a piece of content like that. That's what we're doing. We're promoting the business, or you can promote the programs itself. It's up to you. I usually just promote the business because who wouldn't want to learn how to do this stuff, right? Who wouldn't want to learn how to make money? So many people want to make money online. So this is the ultimate way to make money online, right? You wake up tired before the day even starts. That's not living, that's survival. Build income that restores your peace. See how I'm promoting this business? Okay. So those are my little like shorts, 7-second videos, words on the screen. Here's my little talking videos. Here I'm just taking a selfie, putting words on the screen. So all you got to do is take selfies, make videos, put words on the screen. Simple. Would you be willing to do this? Like ask yourself, would you be willing to just, create content if that meant you can make $1,400 or more in a day? Because you're not going to make money by scrolling on social media. You're only going to make money by posting content. Okay. So would you be willing to do that? If you can make $600, $900, and $1,400 a day, would you be willing to post content and go live on social media to make that happen with an automated business so you can make money in your sleep? Like ask yourself that. Seriously, ask yourself that. Okay. Then my lives are recorded because I go live on TikTok and I go live on YouTube. My lives are recorded. And then I have different posts. Like here, I can do written posts. I do pictures with written posts. This is about my business. This has nothing to do with my business. It's a value post. So like I like to post business posts and value post. A value post is just like inspiration, motivation, tips, education, entertainment. That's a value post. So I like to do a variety of both. I recommend doing that. Sometimes you just do straight value, nothing to do with your business. Other times you're just promoting your business. Okay. I do a mixture of both. Like this is promoting my business, obviously, right? I create these little images with AI or chat or Canva, and then I post them. Okay, here's a value. Okay, there you go. So yeah, I basically showed you everything and how to do everything and how I build this business personally by posting content and going live. If you have questions, drop it in the comments. If you're ready to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay, let me show you because it's spelled like this with the number. sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the description. Okay, just go there at any time and you can get started, or you can check out all the information. Check out the information for yourself, look through everything. Plus, I'm going to give you a PDF in the first email. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days with digital marketing. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure to share this video with someone who needs it, someone who's looking for ways, like legitimate ways to make money online. They're done being overworked and underpaid and they're ready to live a life of freedom. Make sure you share that video because you can seriously help so many people. This business is changing lives. Okay, you can see all the wins in our community. That's proof that it's changing lives. So all the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.